Hey guys, this is George over Eater Cars. Well, I got a little treat for you guys today. I bought a bunch of resin cast models from eBay. They're Jimmy Flintstone castings. As you guys know, Jimmy Flintstone stuff is really good. Kind of thick a little bit on the resin, but they're good kits. So, first off, what's in the box? Okay, this is a cool one. I think I've actually built this model already. On top and everything. But this is a '66 Nova station wagon. So it's kind of cool. The few things I really like about it, it has good detail and casts real well. And you know, you can use the AMT version, AMT 66 Nova as a donor kit for this one here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this kit yet. I don't know if it's going to be stock, Pro Street, or whatever. I'm not too sure. Rust bucket, not too sure. We'll go from there and see what happens. So, I'm not going to take it out of its wrapper because, you know, I don't want to get my hands on it. Greasy hands on it. Gloves, I just don't want anything on it. I'm going to be putting it in some bleach when I'm ready to use them. Taking the release agent off there. So yeah, it's kind of cool. There's another one. I'm going to take out of the thing here. Maybe a little bit better. Okay. This one is a 1953 Ford truck crew cab. Has lots of good potential in here. It has good detail. Pretty cool kit. Don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. Maybe make it into a heavy duty truck. I'm not too sure yet. As you know, the heavy duty trucks, the fenders are wider. But we'll see. We'll see. So cool with that. Comes with the hood. That's kind of cool. Like I said, Jimmy Flintstone resin stuff is pretty cool. And lots of detail in it. And just a lot of flash, and that has to be addressed. Okay. I don't be doing that, putting everything back in there, taking it off and talking, because you guys can't hear me. So, this is my second time doing this video. Anyways. Okay. Next up is the 1950 Ford cabover. You got it. CEO. So, yeah, it's pretty cool casting. Yeah, needs quite a bit of cleanup, and we'll have to see how it turns out. I don't know what kind of molds these guys are using, but yeah, they'll look alright. Just needs some cleanup and some sanding and stuff like that. It looks pretty cool. Looks pretty accurate to me. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Here again, something I may end up doing is I may end up splitting the fenders and widening it, making it a little wider. But we'll see. We'll see what we do with this one here. It's pretty cool. Detail, the hood's nice shape, and it's Next up is a 50s style. I think it's probably early 50s. Oh, got a big spider. Die, motherfucker. Okay. Got a 50s style white. There's White Brothers cab over. Don't know what we'll do with this one yet. Just put it out of the wrapper here. Another good one. Good detail. Heavy cast on there. Really tell the weight on this one. This is pretty damn thick. But there's great detail on there. Needs a lot of cleanup to get it to look properly. Has a grill. It's a really nice shape. It's a nice grill. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. It's a nice looking cab. I've always seen this cab in, I think it was 1/35 scale or 32 or even 1/48 scale. I've never seen it in a 125 scale. Well, I've seen them, but the prices of the kits were skyrocket. So, you know, and I've often thought about making my own grill, my own cab, but it's so much work to do it this way. To build on scratch. So, yep, this is cool. Can't wait to start working on it. I'm just not into doing heavy scratch building anymore, guys. Not into doing it anymore. Okay, next one is a 1955 Chevy cab over. Let's check out the bag and have a look. This one I am not too happy with. Not happy with this one bit. It's going to need a lot of work to get it to look correct. The wheel wells here are too short. They actually need to be wider. So I may end up cutting the cab off. Just cutting the cab off here, off these fenders here, and put it on a AMT 1955 Chevy truck. So easy to do, easy. I'm just not happy with this part here. Wheel wells are really too short on it, and it almost looks a little bit too small for 125 scale. So, but anyways, we'll make it work. And it looks pretty cool anyways too, so. Next up, we got a 40s, probably, I think it's like, mid-40s Ford. Cab over, of course. This one comes with a grill, casted grill. Nice detail, great cast on this one here too, and it's gonna make for a cool build at a later date. This is really cool, but it needs a lot of cleanup to get it look properly, and it's not bad. I really like it. It's cool. You can tell it's Jimmy Flintstone. Good. Anyway, that's kind of cool. And my next one is one of my favorites. It's a 1938 Dodge pickup. I was actually going to make this one in a model form at a later date. I actually do have this kit. Actually, I do have a Dodge. This 1941, I guess it is, pickup. This one is a cab over, so you can't mistake that grill. You can never mistake that grill for anything else. Dodge is the only one that does this. So it's cool, and I'm going to put on something. I'm not too sure yet. I don't know what I want to make it into, but yeah. So anyways, planning on buying a few more of these kits, or a few more of these castings at a later date, and we'll go from there. I'm surprised that Jimmy Flintstone, the company there, hasn't started doing these castings in 3D printing yet. I mean, this is old school. This old way of it's an old way of casting. It works, but I mean, the detail is, it's gonna take a lot of work to get it to look properly. You know, with 3D printing, they're clean and everything. It's perfect, right? You don't have to muck around with filing and sanding and stuff like that. You may end up paying a little more money for the casting with 3D printing, but you get a better model. So anyways, that's something for them to think about. If these guys, these people from Jimmy Flintstone's company happens to see some of us build these models of theirs. So maybe something for them to think about is getting a 3D printer. Alrighty, yeah, that's my 2 cents worth for today. Lots of builds coming up here. When I start working on one of these kits, I'll definitely post a video. So, anyways, it's gonna be cool. Alrighty, thanks for watching my videos, guys. Thanks for the comments, subscribers. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I've been plugging in other projects, and I'll do a video of that one next, my next build. Alrighty, guys, thanks for, like I said, thanks again, and stay tuned for some more cool stuff coming up. Okay, bye for now. Peace out.